This is a toy and this is not a toy. I don't know what to say. I'm making this video today about Canada's drone operating certifications. I think this drone operating certification program is kinda shitty, and I'm making this video so that either you can put some knowledge in me and I get some sense and I change my mind, or you can leave a comment below about how right I am. Now, from 2019, Transport Canada came up with this rule where if you own a drone that weighs between 250 gram until 25 kilogram, you have to register it with them, and you have to have a license, either basic or advanced license, to fly it legally. If you don't register your drone, or if you don't have the license to fly it, they call it certification to fly it, you might be fined up to $1,000. Now, regulations, I have no problem with. I think there should be some regulations for things like this. But the problem is, the way they designed the exam, it is very hard for an average person to pass the course, because all the materials they have for this basic or advanced drone operating certifications, or all the test questions that come up, it is, if not exactly, but almost like a real pilot's exam. That means if you want to go fly a small aircraft, the exam you have to take is very similar to the exam to fly this little thing. Now, I personally think they should not make this exam that hard and make people pay for every time they write the test. So what I'm trying to say is there should be rules and regulation, but it shouldn't be so hard that an average person cannot pass it. Now, there are schools you can go to pass the certification program, but you really don't need it. You can use a smartphone, you can fly this drone easily. So for that, you shouldn't be going to school and pay hundreds of dollars for it. What they didn't think through is, if you're flying a drone like this, and you're flying a drone like this, or if you're flying a drone which is 25 kilogram weight, it's the same certification as this one. So what it does is basically it makes it harder for people to fly the drone legally. So most people end up flying illegally. I just don't see why. Like, why would you want your people not to experience a piece of technology like that? So if this Christmas you're thinking about getting a drone and you want to fly it legally, what you should do is go for a drone which is lighter than 250 gram. For example, this one. This is a DJI Mini. This is 249 gram. That means it is a toy. You can fly it anywhere you want to, as long as you're being responsible, and obviously you're not flying into restricted airspace like airports. So yeah, like, look at this. There isn't much difference into these two. This, you can fly legally unless you have a certification and you register for it. This, you can fly legally. So I hope you let me know on comment below what you support. Do you think that Transport Canada's drone operating test is too hard for somebody who just want to fly it around for fun, or it is justified? Let me know either way. I would like to know if I am the crazy one or somebody else should change their examination process.